GoPro cameras have long been considered the gold standard in the action camera world. This compact action camera was and still is packed with the latest tech, and it has long been the standard for high-quality action footage. Considering this camera may be used for a lot of different things, it's good to know that there are plenty of other options to consider. While GoPro is a widely recognized name when it comes to durable, compact, and waterproof cameras, the alternatives available can be a convincing option, whether you're looking for a camera to mount on your bike helmet or your surfboard. And several of them perform at least as well as a GoPro in terms of image quality and functions. Plus, they don't come with a huge price tag either. In terms of value, camera technology, and concepts, the finest GoPro alternatives can give the big name brand a run for its money. They are usually less expensive, more capable, and more action-packed than its official counterparts. We've compiled a list of all the action cameras we found that are basically knockoffs of GoPro models. In this way, we've made it easier for you to assess which features are most useful for you and help decide whether you should get a GoPro or if some of the more affordable alternatives will fit your needs. Keep watching until the end of the video to find out which cameras we're talking about. Here are the top 5 best GoPro alternatives to suit any budget. Welcome back to our channel. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Number 5. AKASO Brave 7LE. Number 5 on the list, this camera can be compared to a GoPro due to its similar build design. To begin with, it can capture standard video at up to 4K 30 FPS and slow-mo video at up to 120 FPS. Even if the maximum resolution is lower than the GoPro's shocking 5K 30 FPS video, this is more than enough for daily usage. Besides that, the Brave 7LE accounts have a nice color tone, which is an added bonus. Apart from that, the footage is quite sharp, and it offers a 20 megapixel still image shooting mode identical to the GoPro. Sure, using this in-camera 6-axis electronic image stabilization, it can manage rough jerks or hop when walking, producing gimbal-like footage. Travel vloggers will like the added front screen on this camera. It is IPX7 rated and can withstand 40 meters of water when utilizing the camera housing. All in all, if you're going for a nearly identical action camera to a GoPro in both stabilization and image quality, the AKASO Brave 7LE can be an excellent value for money considering it costs less. Number 4. Olympus TG Tracker. This camera can record everything, including the breathtaking view in front of you, the trails you take, and even the fine details of your surroundings. What it captures gives the photographer a sense of fulfillment and reflects the thrill of the moment to the viewer. It's a long-awaited field log camera from Olympus that continues the TUF series legacy. The outdoor experiences of the user is completely recorded using the TG Tracker's built-in field sensors. Its data and photographs can be transferred to a smartphone and displayed instantly to revisit these moments of excitement and achievement. Here's a high-end camera with all the bells and whistles that any adventurer will enjoy. It has a 1.5-inch LCD screen that can be tilted, and it can capture 4K videos at 30 frames per second. Another nice feature is the wide-angle lens, which can cover up to 204 degrees and has 5-axis type image stabilization. This can snap photographs with an 8 megapixel resolution. The TG Tracker is built waterproof, shockproof, freeze-proof, dustproof, and crush-proof material, making it ideal for adventure sports. Enjoying this video so far? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Number 3. Insta360 One R. Now, don't get me wrong, GoPro is an excellent action camera, but it's missing a 360 view, which is why we'll explore the Insta360 One R. This combines the features of an action camera and a 360 camera. This action camera has a 1-inch sensor and can record 5.3K resolution footage at 30 frames per second. With HDR recording, its 1-inch sensor becomes more powerful, resulting in more vivid footage. Plus, thanks to the bigger sensor size, nighttime photography is now sharper and noise-free. It has a robust body and can only go underwater to a depth of 16.4 feet. Whether racing with a bike or perhaps riding a horse, its flow state delivers 6-axis stabilization for ultra-steady and stable shots. Besides that, it retains your subjects long and regardless of how quickly they move, the Insta360 constantly keeps track of them. Additionally, its AI-infused editing helps make it ready to share without the need for hours of manual editing. Also, this camera allows you to remove the selfie stick for drone-like shots. Lastly, with cinematic slow motion and a variety of other unique capabilities, the Insta360 One R may fully replace the GoPro. It's a good value for a top-quality action camera because of its fantastic features and convenient design. Number 2. DJI Osmo Action. If you wish to compete against a GoPro camera, the DJI Osmo Action can do just that. Since this camera can record in 4K 60fps, as well as other variable frame rates with comparable quality. For those cool Instagram clips, you may shoot at up to 240 frames per second at 1080 Full HD resolution. The biggest similarity between the GoPro and the DJI Osmo is obviously the clarity and videos. Osmo's pocket also appears to be the same color as the GoPro Hero 9. Furthermore, the two-party stabilization is similar. Depending on your settings and usage, the camera's battery life has been tested and can record continuously for about 85 minutes at 4K. Fortunately, you can continue to use it while charging, and there is no limit to the recording time. This is ideal for long sessions of non-stop recording. Unexpectedly, this action camera costs about half as much as a GoPro, yet the Osmo's Action firmware is more optimized. Featuring a 145-degree field of view, the Osmo Action can easily shoot underwater. It can endure for a period of time under 60 feet of water with a housing and 11 meters without protection. The DJI Osmo Action 4K is your choice for performance with a lower price and nearly equal features to the Hero 9. Number 1. Sony DSC RX02. Finally, a strategically built camera is our topic for today. However, it is neither an action camera nor a combat camera. This camera, more than any other, can help with making better vlogs. The Sony RX02 is a small handheld camera created by a powerhouse camera manufacturer, Sony, to compete with the best. This camera, which comes with a BSI CMOS sensor, can record videos in 4K and shoot photos in 15 megapixel resolution. Additionally, you can shoot cinematic footage at 1000 frames per second. The camera can record auto dynamic video for up to 60 minutes in 4K thanks to its sturdy build and good stabilization. A tilting screen will assist you in framing your shots, allowing you to push your filmmaking abilities to new heights. Because it's more than an action camera, it comes with several advanced capabilities and manual controls, much like any top DSLR or mirrorless camera. This 24mm wide lens with a 3.7-volt battery, exceptional shooting capabilities, and an advanced design structure, the Sony DSC RX02 can be a good value for durability and performance. So there you have it, the top 5 best action cameras that could be GoPro alternatives. GoPro continues to set the standard for innovation, image quality, and features. but it's also expensive. If you have a slightly different budget but want similar qualities and results, you can choose one of these cameras to capture your incredible vacation and sports moments. There is no perfect camera. At the end of the day, personal preferences, taste, and shooting styles play a bigger role in your choice. Would you still go for a GoPro camera or one of these less expensive alternatives instead? Please let us know in the comment section below. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching!